Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how you can upload your PDF and chat using Ragobble, and let's just get started with the video. So this is a very super useful application for students, researchers, or anyone who wants to understand long documents quickly. First of all, go over to ragobble.com, this one right here, and you can just go ahead and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you are here, you can look out for option that says upload PDF on your screen. Just go ahead and look out for that and look out for this option called upload files or link, and just go ahead and click on that option. Or you can directly upload it in this box right here. And before doing so, you can look out for this knowledge bases option here and click on this plus icon. Click on create knowledge base and create one. And once you create it, you'll be finding it right here, and you'll be finding an option for upload. Look out for upload option, head over it and go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it here, you can select the option like you can look out for your PDF, document X, or TXT. You can just go ahead and select that option right here and go ahead and upload your file in this URL box and click on done. Or you can click for upload file and select up your PDF file from your device. For example, let's say this is the PDF file I would like to add. I'm just going to go ahead and select it, and you can click on open after that. Once you do so, the PDF file is being uploaded right here. Now, after uploading, it will analyze. And Ragobble will process your document. This will usually take just a few seconds depending upon the file size. And after, you can ask questions like summarize chapter 2 or anything on your website. And there you can see your documents files right here. Now it will basically do translations or explanation of difficult terms, even request structure summaries. It's like having your own personal Twitter for your documents. If that doesn't work out there, you can go to summarizer option. And from there, you could just go ahead and look out for this URL option, or you can go ahead and use this option for importing PDF. And there, just go ahead and import your PDF. Click on open and upload it right here, and it will summarize it. You can click on this option for summarize, and that will do it for you, and you should be getting a result here. So that's how easy it is to upload your PDF and chat with on Ragobble. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and tell us in the comments what kind of PDFs you will be trying on.